Now, let's build the pricing section. Let's copy the features section because they have the same layout. Copy this section and paste it here. Next, let's copy this text and paste it here on this heading. Let's also copy this text for the moment. Then, let's add a break to the heading after the word products. Let's paste the text we copied here. Let's try to copy this pricing section. Let's delete this widget here, because we don't need it anymore. Let's create a heading widget here and change its text to standard. Next, let's copy this widget here. Let's change this heading to H3 first. Then paste the widget we copied here. Then, let's change its font size to 60. Now, let's change its text to $39. Next, let's copy this text here and add a text editor widget after this widget and paste it here. Then, let's add a divider widget here. Let's change its color to light gray. But I think it's not enough. It's too light. Let's make it darker. Like that. Let's also change this border's color. Let's make it darker. Next, let's copy this icon list widget here. Let's paste it after our divider widget. Let's delete some items. Next, let's copy this text here and paste it here. Then, let's edit this text to cancel anytime. And this one to order notifications. Let's edit this icon here. Let's search some icons. Let's type circle on the search box. Let's try this times icon here. And let's also change this icon here to times. Now, let's change the padding of this container to something like 50. Let's copy this button and paste it here in our container. Then, let's change its text to purchase now. Next, let's copy this whole container. Then let's delete this container and paste our pricing item here. Let's also delete this one and paste it here. Let's add a break here on this text editor. Let's put it after the word Lectus. Let's change this heading's text to Pro and this text to Professional. This text to Business. Let's also change this to Business. Next, let's add a button before the word Pro. And let's make it like a badge. Let's put this on top. Let's align it to right and change its text to Popular. Let's go to the button's typography and change its font to Just. And change its font size to 14. Then change its padding to something like 10. let's change the left and right padding to something like 20. Then let's copy this color of the badge and paste it to our button. And make its color to blue. Let's add a negative top margin to this button. And also a right negative margin to it. Let's adjust the top margin and the right margin. Now, let's adjust the top margin of this heading. I'll adjust it a little further. A bit more. Then I'll just copy this and paste its styles here. Or instead, maybe we can just remove the top margin of this heading. And also this one. And just apply a negative top margin for this heading. Maybe about negative 30 pixels. Then, let's go to tablet mode. And let's just align these widgets to center. Let's align this heading to center. Also this one. And this one. Then, the icon list. And the button. As for this heading, because we added a negative top margin to it, it's too difficult to select. Just use the navigator to select it on your side. Then I'll just apply the other widgets' alignments to center. I'll just fast forward this video. Now, let's go to mobile mode. Then, I'll center the icon list on mobile. Then for the button, I'll just reduce its padding to 20 pixels on all sides. I'll copy the styles of the button. Then center align this icon list. Next, I'll paste the styles to this button. Then, for the last item, I'll also center align the icon list. Last, I will paste the styles to this button. Now, let's close this responsive mode. Then, let's rename our section. Let's open the navigator. And rename this section to Pricing Section. See you on the next video.